watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends. It is Holly again with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have another Cricut mystery box for you guys. And this mystery box is Cricut's Pixie Dust Joy Xtra mystery box. So I'll go ahead and show you what's in the box and what all you can use, regardless what Cricut machine you actually have. And as always, we will start with the cutie. Now this cutie was brand new last week in the Malibu Sunset mystery box. So if you've seen that reveal, you've seen that this cutie is called Peach Dust. Now he is completely overexposed here and super hard to see. He just looks white. So I'll go ahead and put it on the white there so you can see it is not white. It actually is a very light peach color. It also is a matte finish. There is Peach Dust. I'll go ahead and pop up here Peach Dust next to Peach Kiss and also Rose. And for the collectors, Peach Dust is the only one that's matte finish here. The Peach Kiss has like a glossy finish and the Rose one has like a satin finish. And because we got the cutie, the box is for Cricut Access members only, but in the links below, you can go ahead, join Access, and you can purchase the box. Now, for the rest of the box, and you can't have a box called Pixie Dust without something sparkly, right? Like you must. So we will start with some sparkle. We are going to get some sparkly of the Smart Iron-On. Now this is the prismatic glitter iron-on, so it's a glitter that's covered, like it's not going to flake off at all. And then this is actually the sea glass sampler. So you're going to get 3 different colors in this. You're going to get mint, coral, and rose gold, if you can see there. And so there'll be 1 sheet of each color, and each sheet is 9.5 by 12 inches. Those colors look so pretty together too. And this, and also anything else in the box I show you that is a smart material, you can use it matless with your Joy Xtra, but you can use it with any Cricut machine just by putting it on a mat. Ooh, and another iron-on sampler, we're getting the classic sampler. So in here you're going to get black, silver, and gold. And then again, 1 of each sheet, and then each sheet is 9.5 by 12 inches. Next, we are going to go ahead and get a sampler of the Smart Vinyl. Now this is permanent Smart Vinyl. And again, use it matless on your Joy Xtra or just throw it on a mat. But in this, you're going to get red, white, and black. And then each sheet's going to be 9.5 by 12 inches. And another sampler, we're going to go ahead and get the Summer Sampler in the Smart Vinyl. This is also permanent. And it's grass, ocean, and then maize yellow. So that blue, green, and yellow. So that's why I love sampler packs, because just in these 4 boxes, we have 12 different colors of stuff. And then add to that some red Smart Iron-On, which the holidays will be here incredibly quick, faster than any of us want to admit. Red Iron-On always flies. I feel like, which red Iron-On around the holidays always flies. I don't know about you, but I feel like I go through tons of red Iron-On around the holidays. And then this is 9.5 by 24 inches. And then we're also going to get a roll of Smart Vinyl. Now this is the removable vinyl, and this is a matte white. And this one is 9.5 by 3 feet. And I'm excited to see this in the box because this is practically the cost of the whole box. We're getting a 30 pack of the Cricut Fine Point pens. And these have the 0.4 millimeter tip. So these will work in your Cricut Joy, your Joy 2, your Joy Xtra, and they'll actually work if you have the Explorer 5 also. But if you don't have those machines, you can still write with them. You just won't put them in your machine. But here's a look of the 30 different colors there. There's actually a lot of popular colors within that too that you don't see in a lot of pen sets actually. And we're going to add to that a pack of the Smart Label writable paper. Yes, in the parchment paper finish. So it's that natural, almost like a brown shopping bag, but a little more natural because you see more like the fibers in it. But you can have it right on here and stick this on things. Looks really cool too for anything rustic. But this is a great label to add, like if you want to add a natural element. And that is everything that's in Cricut's Pixie Dust Joy Xtra mystery box. And again, because we got that cutie, it is Access members only. And the price of the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but it's not really because you do have to be Access to purchase. And with being Access, you save on every purchase at Cricut. So that's not the price you actually pay. And in the links in the video description below are the links to join Access, purchase the box, and our giveaways. We have 2. We have our August crafting challenge, where one member of our group is going to win $100 to spend at Cricut.com. And then our monthly giveaway, we are doing 3 $100 winners to spend at Cricut.com. And you could win once, you could win twice, or you could win 3 times, which would be crazy. It'd be crazy if it happened, but it could, is the point, because each entry counts. All right, crafty friends, well, thanks so much for joining us again. I know we have been spoiled this month with mystery boxes, but we got that bonus box because it was Cricut's 20th anniversary mystery box. That was such a good cutie. Over here, I have my fave cuties, and if you see the new 20th anniversary, the 2 ombre ones are my favorite, Sunset and Dream, but that 20th anniversary cutie just took the cake. He is now my favorite, my top cutie. I don't know if I'll ever get overthrown. I'd have to really do something wild. Like, oh, if there was a Melody cutie, that would definitely win. That would definitely win. Can we get a pink, purple to teal ombre, please? And until next time, friends, happy crafting, and we hope your week is filled with all those things that bring you joy, and not so much of those things that you don't like. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.